Hello guys! Ever wondered how to turn a single photo into a captivating video? Today I will talk about Vidnoz, an AI-powered tool that transforms your photos into stunning videos in just a few clicks. This tool is a game changer, whether you're looking to add motion to a photo or create engaging content for your social media posts. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Now let's get started. Next, let me show you how easy it is to turn any photo into a video with Vidnoz, and you don't even have to sign up for an account. Step 1. Head over to the Vidnoz image to video website. Here are some video demos. Then drag or upload an image to the platform. Step 2. Click Generate Video. Wait for a second. Your video will be successfully created. Now preview the video. It's excellent. After that, you can download your video freely, and you can further edit your video according to your requirements. That's it. Anyone can create eye-catching content from one photo by Vidnoz. You see, Vidnoz uses cutting-edge AI to automatically add dynamic movement to your photos, making them feel alive with minimal effort. And Vidnoz is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners without technical skills. What's more, you can create high-quality videos in seconds for free. So why not give Vidnoz a try and see what amazing videos you can create with just one photo? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.